Halkidiki, a captivating and diverse region of Greece, is distinguished by its distinctive geography, which consists of 3 alluring peninsulas. This destination offers a wide spectrum of experiences to elevate your Greek holiday into an unforgettable adventure. Halkidiki stretches gracefully into the crystal-clear embrace of the Aegean Sea, revealing a rugged coastline adorned with well-established resorts catering perfectly to family getaways. However, hidden coves are nestled along the coastline for those pursuing a serene retreat. Towering mountains provide sanctuary for monastic communities and gift visitors with awe-inspiring panoramic views. With sun-soaked summers and mild winters, Halkidiki's climate makes it a year-round paradise for nature enthusiasts, promising various outdoor activities to enjoy throughout the seasons. This region breathes life into Greek mythology, as legends whisper that ancient giants crafted the contours of 2 of its peninsulas. Siphonia, the middle peninsula, draws its name from the son of Poseidon. For history enthusiasts, a visit to the intriguing ruins of Stagira is a must. An ancient city founded over 2,500 years ago, and the very birthplace of the renowned philosopher Aristotle. Halkidiki invites you to delve deeper into its rich tapestry of history, natural beauty, and cultural significance, promising an immersive journey that transcends the ordinary. Good vibes only.
Like, share, and subscribe for more destination vibes.